Okay. Yes, this is trapezium, but you are not trying the perfect. You should choose a slant tool and then you can draw. Okay. Give it name. Give him name. A, B, C, D. Okay. Good. 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 Can you tell me the bases? In what is which is bases? I say there are two bases. Can you tell me which is base?
Here and here.
Yes. Parallel sides are called the bases. Okay. Parallel sides are called the bases. We write the name, give them name, any name, B1 and B2. Okay. And
Okay.
draw the height, perpendicular distance between them. Draw the line segment whose length shows the distance between them. Okay.
Mhm.
What is
Okay.
height? What is height? What is perpendicular?
Mhm.
No, 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 no. Wrong, wrong, wrong. You draw the height from this, from one base to other base. Okay. This is the distance between. This is height. This is a height or distance between two parallel sides. Distance between two parallel sides. Clear or not clear?
Okay.
In yesterday we have studied this. We had studied this. Um, we have studied about the base and height. Height is the perpendicular that we draw, or distance between them. Distance between two sides, two bases, two parallel side is called the height. Okay, distance between two parallel side is called the height. Clear?
Mhm.
And then understand the formula. Area of trapezium. Area of,
So then what is this? Wait, what did I put this in?
these
These.
are non-parallel sides. We don't give any name. Okay, these are non-parallel sides only. Area
Okay.
of trapezium. Trapezium is simple. Trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 B1 plus B2 into H. Into H. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
1 by 2, we take the half of base 2, sum of the bases and multiplication of height, distance between them. Okay, we will add
So
two
these two
bases.
sides, these
Yes,
two sides
yes, we will
times the
add,
height,
yes, times height, and after this we will take their
one half.
half of the
Okay.
sum of the base, sum of the parallel side, length of parallel side, sum of the length of parallel sides into the
Mhm.
height or distance between them and divided by 2. It is called the area of
Mhm.
trapezium. Clear or not clear?
Okay, clear.
Okay. Can you write the area of square formula? Area of rectangle formula? Okay, you should remain active. Daily your videos, your mother sees your video. I'm recording all lesson, okay?
Yes.
Area of rectangle. What is the area of square? What is the area of rectangle? Tell me. Make one square and write its area, okay? Okay, good. No, wrong, 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 wrong. Make one square. One square and tell me the area. You should remember the area, okay? Make the notes.
Yeah,
This is
wait, I
not
wrote it
this is
wrong.
not square. Square has all sides parallel. Not
Mm.
this is not square. In square all sides are equal. In square all sides are equal. Okay? This is B. All sides are equal. In square all sides are equal. B square. Okay. Write the rectangle. Make rectangle. Okay. This is you are giving its name. B, give its name width or breadth. Okay, width or breadth. Okay, clear? This is length.
Mhm.
This is length. And write the formula.
Mhm. Okay.
Draw the rectangle, correct?
Okay.
Two sides, opposite two sides are parallel. Okay, their angle is 90 degree.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, write the formula. Correct it, correct it. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
write it, Paulo, write it. Length multiply by width. Okay, area of parallelogram. Now make the area of parallelogram. Wait. Okay, good, good, good. LW. Okay, area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Make one parallelogram. Okay, make one parallelogram.
Oh wait.
Okay. Mm, you should choose the line tool. Okay, you can choose the line tool to make it perfect. You're
Ah,
not making the
sucks.
perfect. Choose the line tool. Okay, and
Mm.
write its area here. You can also write here. Okay.
Hmm. Area of a parallelogram.
P-A-R-A, only R-A, R-A, double L-O, parallelo, double L-E-L-O, parallelogram, B into H, okay, good. What is B, what is H? Find the H and B
Base
here.
and height.
Base and height, make the height, what is height? This is B, okay, good, 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 good. Okay, remember, write this on copy, okay, these are main concepts. Okay, now we do the practice. We do the practice. Okay, this is the practice of this chapter. We have done the chapter. We have completed the chapter, quadrilaterals and other polynomials. Okay, chapter number 9. Uh, Question number 1. Okay, you should first understand the question and after this do it. Okay.
Okay.
Question 1 and 2 refer the
Mm-hmm.
following figure, refer the following figure in which M and N, in which M and N are midpoints, Midpoints are the points that divide the line into two equal parts, okay? For example, I have this pen. For example, I say this is the midpoint, okay? This is the midpoint of pen, then this length, this part length and this part length both will be same. If this complete pen length is 2, can you tell me the length of this part and this part?
What?
This pen has length 2 centimeter. Suppose this is 2, okay, 2 any unit. Tell me after this is the midpoint. What will be the length of this part and this part? It will
M
be
and what?
1 1. Okay, yes, 1 1.
1 1.
Yes,
Oh,
good. If this length is 10, then this part has 5, this part has 5. Okay, clear?
okay.
M and N are midpoints. Are midpoints.
M and N are midpoints. Okay.
M and N are midpoints of two of the side. The sides of square PQ R S. This is a square. I am making the square. Okay.
Mhm.
You can also choose the line tool. Okay. Perfectly. Work perfectly. Okay.
Mhm.
You try to make the work perfectly. Okay. Try to make the figure perfect. You use the pen, but use the line tool. They see I am choosing the figure and line tool. Then this is perfect. This is the colored part. Okay. P S R. This is also square. Okay. It is given P R S P Q R S and this is M. This is N.
Yeah, I'm in a lesson. Yes, Michelle. As long as you don't distract me.
Are you in? Where's
Yeah.
your phone? I'm waiting someone's call.
No one called.
See, Paulo, see here. This is the colored portion. Okay. This is the colored portion. And question, what is the question number 1? Okay. Now we see the question number 1. What is the perimeter of what is the perimeter of trapezoid P M N R? Okay. You know the find the perimeter. You find the perimeter.
Perimeter. Okay.
You know the in perimeter we add the all lengths. We add all lengths. If we know the lengths, all lengths of this figure, then we can find the perimeter. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Now fine. First of all, this is the 2. This is your 2. Okay. What will be this value? This value, Paulo, tell me.
2.
This is 2. This complete is 2. SR is 2. What is the value of PS? What is the value of PQ? What is the value of QR?
We don't know.
Why you don't know? See here,
What
it
is
is
it?
written, it is a square. See the question. Sides of square. If this is square, then you can not write the length of other two sides. Okay.
They're all
What is
true,
the
though.
length of PM? What is the length of PM?
We don't know.
Why you don't
1.
know? 1. These are, see here. Read the question. M and N are midpoint.
And then 2 out of 2, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 equal. The square root of 8 is.
Right here, length of this. You will find the length of this and length of this. Okay. What is the value of MQ? What is the value of MQ? Write the correct value of MQ.
1.
Write 1 only, okay? Write here the values. Okay?
1. So
Yes,
1
yes.
times 1 plus equals 2. 2 to the power of 2 is would just be square root 2.
Yes, write it, write it. Okay, good.
The answer for this would be square root 8.
Okay. You, okay, do it, but
Height would be
write the parameter P. P is equal to, write the solution.
P. So height is. Are we trying to find the parameter? So we need
Perimeter,
to
yes,
find
we need the perimeter. In
so
perimeter,
all sides plus together.
yes, good. Right here.
Wouldn't that be 2?
Write P. P is equal to. Write P is equal to.
P equal to.
You should add all sides. What are you doing?
I add all sides. 1 plus 1,
One.
2. Plus
Write it. 1 plus 1, write it. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus under root 8. Under root 2, okay? What is answer? Right, plus. You cannot add them. This is under root. You cannot add the under root values, okay?
Okay.
Not, you cannot add because these we will add if they are same. X plus x can be added but into 2x, but these under root 8 under root 2 are different. Under root 2 and under root 8 are different, okay? क्या चीज गुनैन क्या करेंगे Some. Okay, you should simplify it. You should simplify it. Do prime factorization. Can you do prime factorization? Follow? Do prime factorization. Under root 8. 8. Do the prime factorization of 8. Use your graphic pen tablet. Can you do the prime factorization? First divide it on prime number, and which is prime number? First prime number 2. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. No, Paulo. Paulo, you are doing wrong. This is, okay? Clear? Here is 1, write 1 here. We will finish it, okay? When we get the 1. And what is
2 to the power of 3.
Not write the power of 3. You should write the pair first. Pair for. Follow, what are you doing? What are you doing? Right, first simplify it under root 8. Here, simplify it. Right, 2 raised power 2. Right, 2 square. 2 square, okay? We write the pair form. And why are you writing 3? Not write 3. 2.
You just put 2. And then
see here, we write 2 square, okay? Not write 3. And this 2 come out. And when there is a square, when there is a power is square on any number, then square and under root are cancel out. Square and under root are cancel out. This 2 comes out. And this will be as. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, right here. Right here, instead of under root, right here and solve it.
So A equals
2 plus okay. Not right. 3 is here, not here. It will be cube root if you write here in above. Not right is here. It is cube root. It is under
yeah,
root.
okay.
Right
So the
here.
answer
Okay. Yes. You have understood this question or not? You are understanding this question or not?
I think I understand, yeah.
Clear? It is clear. First, it is these are midpoints, and on midpoints we divide the length into two equal parts, and after this we use the Pythagorean theorem to find this and to find this. And after this we will do the simplification. We do prime factorization, and we can also write the 2 raised power 3, but we will write it as 2 raised power 2 into 2 because we want to simplify. We want to simplify. 2 raised power 2 will be, this power will be cancelled out and this will come out. Clear? And 2, this 2 has no power. This will remain inside. Clear or not clear, Paulo?
Okay, clear.
Okay. This is the question number 2. What is area of PMNR? Okay. I'm making it again, okay? Not perfect, roughly I'm making, okay? Okay. By using this, find the area. Find the area, okay? Follow. Can you first write the values? You have find it the values, okay? Okay, good. Follow. You should tell me one question. Can you find the area of this or not?
Okay, the area is base times height.
But is there any height?
No.
And no height.
So,
It is. You should use other method. Paulo, use other method. Wait. You should first see here. First find the area of this. Okay. Area of this complete square. Okay. Inside complete region. First you find the area of complete square. Okay. This complete and this complete square. Okay. Use the formula and find the area of this. And you should subtract this 1 area and this 2 area. You should find the 1 area and 2 area and then subtract the area from this figure. Then you can get the area of this. Clear, not clear?
okay, then.
Area of this region. First
So
find
find the area of the square and then minus these two, the area of these two.
Yes. Good. You
So the
find-
area of a triangle.
Do it.
Area triangle
Write the name, area of triangle.
is base.
Yes, yes.
Is these two times together divided by 2
Yes, yes, yes.
before
Right here, right here, right here, right here. Proper. Wait, I'm writing the option. Then you solve here. Proper. Okay.
and this is
Solution.
1.
Write
The
the
area
solution.
of 2 and 1. And then
Write
area
the
of
solution here. Write the solution here, Paulo. Write the name, area of triangle. Which triangle you are taking area?
So that would be 3. That would be 3 minus. So 1. So the area of this is 1.
Wait, you are doing wrong, okay? First find the all areas. Area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and find the area of square and tell me, tell me answer. First write area of triangle AB triangle name, okay?
Okay.
These are the options. Paulo, what
4.
are you doing? First tell me the area. Separately find 3 areas. Find the area of, right.
The area of this
Area A1, write it A1.
triangle. The area of PSR is 2.
Area of triangle, give the name. Triangle PSR. PSR. R capital is equal to area of yes. Triangle M capital.
What's this? What's the side this is?
M. This is a Q. Sorry, this is Q. MQ. N. MQ N. Right, N. Not 1. Use the formula. Which formula you are using? 1 by 2.
1 times 1 divided
1
by
times,
2.
yes, what is answer? Answer is 1. See here. Tell me 1 times 1 divided by 2. Half of 1 times 1. What is answer? Paulo, tell me. See this. See this. Can you see this? 1 times 1. What is answer? Right? It solve it. Not 2. 1 times 1. This 2 is here.
Oh.
Not here.
So that would be 0.5.
Yes, this is 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 2. Without solving, you can make the mistakes, okay?
So the answer is A.
Yes, right. A is equal to area of, write the proper area of trapezium, okay? TMNR, okay? It is clear or not clear? Okay, this is correct. I'm writing the next, okay? You should understand, first write the, first see the statement, the length of a rectangle by more than the side of square. And the width of the rectangle is 5 less than side of square. If the area of square is given, if the area of square is 45, what is the area of? Do it. It is written that, understand it. The length of rectangle. In rectangle, there is length and width. Okay, there is length and width. First, make the rectangle and square. First, make two rectangles, one rectangle and one square. Okay. Make the rectangle and square. First, make the rectangle and square. Follow. Okay. Not make the diagonal. There is no need of diagonal. Okay.
Oh, okay then.
This is not given. 45 is not given. What is given? Understand the statement.
Wouldn't all sides be 90 degree?
Area of these are 90 degree only. There is no need of value of angle. Okay. Make other square. Make one square separately. Can you make the square? Follow? Make one square. Not here. Not make the square here. Separately.
Okay.
This is not square. Paulo, you can choose the figures. And can make the proper square. It is not proper square. It is not proper square. Okay, try to make the proper square. I am also using graphic pen tablet. You are also using graphic pen tablet. Okay. Now, this area is given. See, area of square is given or not given? What is its value? Write the value of area of square. No, wrong.
Yes, if it's all A, then it's A squared.
All sides are A. Write small a, not capital A. You are writing capital A. Length is denoted by small letters. Okay. Write small letters here.
What's the variable or
Select any variable but small, not capital, lowercase letter. Write it, Paulo.
That's it, okay. What do you want me to write?
First write the value side. We have given sides are not given.
No, not given, so I gave it A.
A, okay, good. A and A. See the statement and tell me area of square is given or not given.
Area of square, not given, so it's A2 times A.
See the question. Read the question completely and tell me area of square is given or not given. Tell me. Paulo, tell me.
Mhm.
Read the statement. What is statement? Read it.
Mhm.
Read loudly.
The length of a rectangle in 5 more than side of square.
What will be length? Write the length here. Write the length 5 more than the side of square. 5 more. 5 more means that A plus. Our if the side of rectangle square is 10, this will be 15. 10 plus 5. If side is A,
And then
then it
this
will
will
be
be
A plus 5. Okay. And then read
side.
more. Width of rectangle is
Width is 5 less than the side of the square.
yes, write it. Wrong, Paulo. 5 less means the length of from we will subtract 5. Okay. Okay. What is next? Read the statement. You are not reading statement. The side of the square. Okay, write it. If the area of square is 45, what is the area of square?
Mhm. Then
Area of square is 45. What is the answer of this?
area square, so 45
Is equal to,
square root
you
45.
just write 45 is equal to a square. 45 is equal to area. 45 is area. This is also area. Okay.
Mhm.
A
So
square, right. A square is equal to 45. Right. A square is equal to 45. Okay.
okay, a squared is equal to 45.
Write it. Where you are writing. Where are you writing, Paulo? Right here, A is equal to A square. Then write small a square, value of area. Area is small a square, okay?
Yeah.
Now, our need is to find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle. Read the statement. What is given? What is the area of rectangle? Write it. Come here, Paulo. Start finding the area of rectangle.
So if it's 45,
No. You should see the length and width of rectangle, not see other things.
length of width of rectangle. So 45 square root would be 45 square root minus 5.
No, wrong. What is length and what is width? Write the area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula? Paulo, what
A,
are you doing? What are you doing? What is the formula of rectangle? Area of rectangle.
it's base times height. I'm doing base times height.
No, length into width. Its formula is length into width. Now multiply. What is you know the formula A plus B into A minus B. What is answer?
A squared A times A squared plus 5A plus A squared minus 5A squared. Is that minus 5?
Paulo, you are doing it wrong. Okay. Why are you multiplying? Multiply this a to whole. And after this, multiply this 5 to whole, okay? When we
Sorry, I
multiply-
did it wrong. Sorry, I haven't done this calculation in I haven't done it in a little long time. Minus 5A, minus 25.
Okay. Tell me, these will be cancelled out or not cancelled out? These are different. Minus 5a and plus 5a.
Yeah, I already put it. Yeah, base squared.
Cancel them, okay. And write a. What is the value of a square?
The value of A squared, 45.
Yes, right.
Oh, I get it now. Okay, I see. So
Yes.
that'll be 45.
Okay, good.
20. Okay.
Now
So
concept
the
is
answer
clear.
is A.
Follow concept is clear.
Oh,
Okay, good. These types of questions can come, okay? Okay, and give to next. Question number 4. In rhombus, PQRS, the ratio of measure of angle P to measure of angle Q is 1 to 5. And 1 to 5, okay, ratio. This is the ratio of two angles. And PQ is equal to 6. What is the area? Okay? Follow, do it. I'm giving you the option. Can you make the rhombus? We have studied the rhombus first.
the rhombus. A rhombus is. Isn't a rhombus basically just a square?
Yes, square is also rhombus, okay? But in square, all sides diagonals are not perpendicular, okay?
Okay.
Diagonals are yes, square is also rhombus, okay? Now write the name of rhombus. Name of rhombus, Paulo. Write the name, Paulo. Write the name. PQRS, given the name. Write it. R capital, okay?
That means this side is 6, this side 6. What is the area?
We don't know the only PQ is given. You cannot write the 6, 6, okay? All sides may be equal, but not may be equal, okay? Clear? Yes, you can write all sides are equal. Yes, you can write it 6, okay? You can write it 6. All sides are equal, okay?
And then what I'm trying to find is what is the area?
Yes, yes.
Wouldn't that? Oh, wouldn't that just be 6? Oh, you need to find the height, right?
Yes.
So that would be 6 squared plus 6 squared, 36 plus 36, 72.
This is not height.
72.
This is not height. Follow, this is not height, okay? You should make your
Isn't this
rhombus.
height?
Yes, you should make your rhombus as. Draw the perpendicular. This is not perpendicular, okay? Draw
This is
perpendicular. You are drawing these are diagonal. Draw perpendicular on the line. If this
Just a
is a
crooked.
line, if this is a line, okay, draw perpendicular.
Mhm.
Draw perpendicular on this
Mhm.
line. Draw perpendicular. This is the perpendicular, okay?
Equals.
Clear or not clear? Perpendicular. You should draw perpendicular. You are drawing the diagonals, not draw the diagonal. There is no need of diagonals, okay?
The square root is 72. So it would be 72. The length is 72. So 72 times 6. Simplify it.
Follow, you are doing wrong. Follow, you are doing wrong, okay?
Mm.
First find the angle. We need the angle, okay? We will do it as this. Yeah, we will solve this. This is our h, okay? This is our h. Clear or not clear? You draw perpendicular on line. You draw perpendicular on line, not join the vertex. You choose. We are choosing this as a base. We are choosing this as a base. So we draw from other vertex and on this we draw the perpendicular, okay? This is the perpendicular on this side. Clear or not clear?
Okay.
Then we need to find this. We need to find this. These are perpendicular, okay? 90 degrees. I give them name T. I give them name T. T is here and P is here and Q is here. What is the value of this?
Mm-hmm. The value of this.
6. PQ is given 6. Okay. Follow, you should see here. What is given? Measure of angle P and measure of angle Q. Its ratio is given, right? The ratio of measure of angle P ratio measure of angle Q is equal to, write it.
Measure of angle what?
These ratio are given. Measure of angle P and measure of angle right here. Write the ratio for measure of angle P. Ratio, right ratio.
I don't understand.
This is the ratio. This is the ratio.
I thought all we're doing is finding height.
Okay, come.
Okay, what?
Follow, you know the ratio, right? The ratio, measure of angle P, ratio.
Measure of angle P.
Your light is, you have no light. Measure of angle P. Measure of angle P.
Yeah, Mayor of angle P is less.
Ratio, right? Measure of angle Q. Here, right? Measure of angle Q is equal to, ratio is given, is equal to,
Q.
what is the ratio? 1:5. It is given 1:5, right? Write it, Paulo. 1:5. 1:5. Okay. This ratio is given. We have given the ratio. Okay, Paulo. We have given the ratio.
Okay.
Ratio is given. Okay. Then you should write. You should write them in fraction form. You can write in fraction form. This is numerator. This is denominator. This is numerator. This is denominator. Write them in fraction form. Okay. Paulo, can you write the in the fraction form? These ratio is given. For example, we have given the ratio 2:1. Then we can write it as 2/1. Okay.
Okay, 1/5.
Both sides you should write. Both sides, Paulo. Both sides right here.
1/5, like that.
Write equal. On both sides you should write the ratio. What is here? First write measure of angle P upon measure of angle Q. You should write it in fraction form. Write it in fraction form. Write also it also in fraction form. Both sides write in fraction form. 1:5. Write this in fraction form. 1/5. Write this in fraction form. Okay. Then do cross multiplication and find one value of angle. Okay. You should find the one value. Okay. Find it.
A 1 value.
Yes.
So you cancel out M, right? Because
You should
you
do
cancel
cross
out.
multiplication. You do cross multiplication. Simple thing.
Cross multiplication. Okay.
In cross multiplication, what will we do? You are doing wrong. Hello? You multiply
Sorry.
5 to measure of angle P. What are you doing?
Measure of angle P.
You multiply 5 to measure of angle P and 1 to measure of angle Q. Right? Equal. In one side we write 5 into measure of angle P. In other side we write measure of angle. This is wrong, Paulo. This is wrong. You don't know the see here. This is 2/3. It is P upon Q. See the cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, we do it as. It is not very difficult. 2 multiply by Q. We multiply 2 to Q. We multiply 3 to P. This is the cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, we multiply numerator and denominator in one side and multiply the numerator and denominator on other side. Multiply 5 to measure of angle P. On one side you multiply 1 to measure of angle Q and write it. On other side you write 5 into measure of angle P.
P5, 5P.
Not 5. This is not number. This is angle. We will write the 5 here. This will become 5 times. Okay. What will be here? What will be here?
Mm.
Measure of
Oh,
angle Q. This is measure of
yeah.
angle
Yeah.
Q. Okay.
Mm.
This is the equation. This is your equation. These both
Okay.
angles are supplementary angles. These angles are supplementary angles. Okay.
Mhm.
Here P angle is this. P is this. These P and Q are consecutive angles. Consecutive angles are supplementary angles. Okay.
Mm.
If it is difficult, write the follows. Add two angles and write their values. These are two supplementary angles. These are consecutive angles. Okay.
So,
If it is very difficult, then you should see it as.
I
Okay.
don't understand why you put it like this or
Follow
like that.
see. In ratio, we cut the some common thing. Okay. We cut the some common thing. Then you see here in ratio form we cut 10 ratio 5 means that 2 ratio 1. Okay. We cut the 5. We cut the 5 common thing. Then you write 1 and 5 are the ratio of angle. Then you write 1 multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by x. These are two angles. Okay. 5x and 1x are your two angles. Clear?
Okay.
And tell me what is the sum of P and Q?
6.
You don't know the consecutive angle, sum of consecutive angles. This angle and this angle. What is the sum of consecutive angles?
This is a square root, right? The sum of a consecutive angle.
Two consecutive angles are supplementary angles. Okay, write their sum.
Supplementary angle, right? Their sum.
Is equal to
6.
supplementary angle sum is 6. When two angles are complementary, their sum is 90 degree. When two angles are supplementary, what is their sum?
90 degrees. Okay.
Wrong, Paulo, wrong. You are not understanding, not remembering the previous lessons. Where is your video? Why are you doing your video black? And there is no, on your light, on your light.
It's too bright. What's wrong with my camera?
Your camera sometimes good, but sometimes not. But what is problem with camera? I think you are putting the background on your video. You want to hide your video.
You
Okay,
mean my
see.
curtain?
Now it is clear. Now it is good. But sometimes now again, again there is no, not clear. See it. Yes, now it is good. Follow, see it. You should add these two are supplementary angles. When we have supplementary angles, then we add addition of two supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree. Addition of two supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree. Remember this.
Okay.
What is the measure of angle P is equal to 1x. Okay, their ratio is 1 and 5. Measure of angle Q is equal to 5x. Okay, and add them. These are supplementary angles. Add them. Add these are 180 degree. Clear?
Mhm.
Follow, add them and tell me the answer of x. Find the x, and after this you can find the measure of angle P and measure of angle Q.
Okay. I thought all we're trying to find is the area of the rhombus.
But for area we need this h. Okay, we need h. For h we need this q.
This is the height, right?
No, this is not height. Height is perpendicular to the side. Height is perpendicular to the side. This is not
So this is
perpendicular
the
to
height.
the side.
That's the height, then this would be, you know, 3
No,
or
this is
something.
not height. We draw the height
That
from
is the height. The height is going straight through it. How is it? Oh,
We draw the height from
yeah, you can find
vertex.
the height.
Vertex.
That's the vertex. This is the height. What's wrong with it?
This is not making 90 degree. If this is diagonal, this is diagonal, okay?
But
We-
it's still a straight line. It's still, then this would be height. Height. There you go.
No, this is not height because this is not from vertex. We draw the vertex height from vertex and it will be perpendicular. It will be perpendicular.
I thought we were just trying to find the height.
For finding the height, we need the angle. This angle is
What's the
needed. This is height. See here, Paulo. We draw the height from this vertex and this will be perpendicular. This is perpendicular, okay? Clear or not clear? This is clear or not clear, Paulo? If not clear, then you make the rhombus as. You can make the rhombus as also. See it. This is your rhombus, okay? This is also rhombus. Clear, not clear? Paulo, give them name. P, Q, R, S. Okay? Write the values, write the values. Right. Write the values of side, Paulo. Hello, Paulo.
Yeah.
Which is given? See the statement which is given. PQ is
PQ.
given.
PQ is 6.
Write 6. Write 6 here. Write all sides are equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay? What is the value of this?
The value of this. Also 6.
Yes, write it. Now draw perpendicular. Okay. Now find the angle ratio is given. What is angle ratio? Measure of angle P ratio measure of angle Q is given. See the question. It is given 1:5. Okay.
Okay.
And write them. Write them. What is the value of P? P is equal to 1x. Okay. And Q is equal to 5x. Write it. Measure of angle P is equal to 1x. 1x. Measure of angle Q is equal to, this is the ratio. According to ratio, we are multiplying some common number. Okay, 5x. These are two angles, P and Q. Tell me the answer of this.
And that means this is.
Find them. You should tell me these are supplementary or not supplementary.
So, both of them together equals 180 degrees.
Yes. These are supplementary angles. Find the angle values.
Divided by 180, 30 degrees. So x equals 30 degrees. So this would be.
Right. Do the step. Follow, do the step. What steps are you doing? Do the step 1x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree.
Six x divided by 180.
Wrong. First
Yes.
add
to
them.
find out
First,
the x
first,
equals.
first
finding
add
what
them.
x
What is the
equals.
answer? What is the answer of this 5x
6x.
plus 1x? Right, 6x is equal to 180 degrees.
I already wrote 6x. Yes, you divide it.
Divide on both sides. Divide.
I already put this in. I'm doing the steps again.
Yes, you are dividing 6 divided by 80. I say divide 180
Yeah.
by 6. Okay, good. Write the angles
Yeah.
here. Write the angles here. Right angles, values. Follow, write the angle values in figure. All angles values.
So this is 30 degrees. And this is 30 degrees.
Okay. What is this Q?
This is 150. And this is 150.
Okay. Now solve this and find the H. See here, Paulo, you have this right triangle, okay? This right triangle, you need H. You need H, okay? Can you find this?
I'll make this 70 degrees.
Not 70 degree,
So-
this will be 30 degree, Paulo.
No, 90 plus, oh yeah, that's 30 degrees.
Find the value of H. Can you find the value of H? Which formula will you use? You use any formula, sine, cos, tan. What is formula? Write the formula of sine, cos, tan. Write the formula of sine theta.
Sine. So,
Write 3 formulas, sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. What is the answer? Sine theta. Write the formula of this. Can you tell me the formula of sine theta?
wait.
You always see from notes. You cannot remember the formulas.
Well, yeah.
In paper, there will be no permission of register.
Hmm.
These will be on fingertips. Every student know these formulas. Come and write.
Yeah, wait. You do sine theta. So that would be H.
Right here. Right here, I have written, but you are not writing here. Right here. H upon, it is wrong. Wrong formula. You are writing wrong formula.
Yes, the hypo. What?
Right,
Oh,
right.
yeah, sorry. Okay, so I have to find this is the adjacent, right? No, this is the adjacent, and this is the hypo. Unless, oh, no. Yeah, so this is the oppo. So it is sino, which is H over 6.
Yes. Write the other formulas. First write the formulas. You don't know the formulas. First write the formulas as opposite upon hypo. Write this.
Yeah, but the variable you put is H, so I'm just putting N. What? Why do I have to rewrite this?
First I say write the formulas. Only write the formulas, not solve it. First write the formulas. You don't know the formulas. Sine theta formula is opposite upon hypo. Every day I teach you sine formula is opposite upon hypo. What is cos formula?
Yes.
What is cos formula, Paulo?
Cos formula.
Remember the
Add
cos
over
formula.
hypo.
Adjacent upon hypo. Adjacent upon hypo. What is the formula of tan? Write these formulas here again. Right here. Come here. On next page, write it 2 or 3 times. Write it. Sine, cos, tan. Write the formula. Sine theta is equal to cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to. Write it. Remember it without seeing from register. Write the formulas here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Write the formulas. Do the practice. Sin theta is equal to.
Yeah, we have the calculation is.
Not use the
It's-
calculation first. Remember the formulas. Not use the calculation first. Do here. Write the formula first. Write the formulas only.
For what?
Write the formulas. Only write the
For
formulas.
Yeah, we already
Ah.
put that in.
Right here, and remember, put your register off. Okay, close your register and write the formulas of sine, cos, tan. Hello,
Hmm?
right?
Yeah.
Sine theta is equal to, without seeing from register.
What?
Sine
I
theta is
already
equal,
put it in.
not see from register. Sine theta, where is theta angle? Cos theta, write the cos theta formula. Not see from register, it is very easy. Cos theta is a base or adjacent upon hypo. In sine, there is opposite upon hypo. You are seeing all formulas from register. You cannot remember them.
Of course. Why?
Tan theta. You are seeing again all formulas from register. It is not good. Remember them. Remember them. 1 minute, remember it. Remember them. Opposite upon hypo. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypo. Repeat it.
We
Repeat
already
it.
did 1 hour 30.
No, you should do your work, not tell me the time. Okay? You should
We've already
study.
done 1 hour 30.
Study. It is not behavior of student to tell the time. Okay? You should
I
only
have a
study.
class right after this.
Yes, but you should only study. Not tell me the time. Okay? Tell
No,
me.
we're only scheduled
See
1
your
hour.
performance. Your performance is not good. Okay? See your performance. Remember the formulas. When I say remember, then you should follow me. Repeat it. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypo. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypo. Repeat it. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypo.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Repeat. Repeat it.
Adjacent upon hypo and opposite upon adjacent.
Yes, this is not very difficult to remember these three formulas. Okay, these are very easy. Opposite upon hypo. Cos we will use adjacent upon hypo. Tan we use perpendicular. Okay, come on the page. Come on the page and solve. Find the h. Which formula will be used to find the h? Find the h. Follow.
Mm.
Find h and then it will be. Which formula will you use?
Sine.
Okay, write sine. Where is sine? Sine and its angle. What is angle? What is angle? Which angle you are using?
Not 30 degrees.
You are using 30 degree. Okay. Right, sine 30 degree is equal to. This is wrong. According to 30 degree, what is the opposite? Tell me. Tell me the opposite of this. You are doing wrong. Paulo doing wrong. Tell me the opposite.
Adjacent. This is opposite.
This opposite has no value. Opposite upon
Yeah.
hypo. You cannot put this. This is wrong. TQ, TR. This is TR. I say this is Q and it will be TR. Okay? It will be TR. But our need is to find the.
Okay, so yes. So
Now,
yeah,
cause
which
only
would
cause.
be times 6.
Yes. 6 here. 6 here. You will not
Yeah.
multiply the 6 to angle. Okay? We cannot multiply 6 to angle. Cause, only cause.
No.
6 is equal to h. Use your calculator and find the value of h.
Okay, so 30.
What is answer?
Did I write it wrong? How do you put it? CASO, right?
CAS cos, cos, COS cos, okay, only cos.
COSO.
No, not cos, cos, cosine. Cosine, we completely write it, okay? This is cos, COS
The
cos.
sign is COSO, or just COS. Ah, okay.
This is COS.
Cos 30 degrees is 0.66 times 6 equals 5.1 equals 5.196.
Yes, write it. X is equal to 5.19. Round it 5.19, only 5. You can also write 5.19 or only 5, okay?
Okay,
5
5.
point, H is equal to 5.19. Okay, write it 5.19, okay?
No, 5
H is
equals
equal
8.
to 5, okay? Now find the area. What is the
5 times
area?
30.
5 times 6. Area is A is equal to B into H. Is there any 30?
30. Area is 30.
Wait, follow. Wait.
Okay.
You get
Bye-bye.
the answer. Follow. Wait. Our time is not completed.
It
Time is
is.
not completed. We have started at 52 times. 52 and now. Wait,
We've
we
already done
need to correct this question. There is need to correct this question, okay?
What?
This
It's
question,
base times height, which is 30. I just gave the answer. So
answer is, your answer is,
base times
answer
height.
is, question number 4,
6.
answer is C, 18, okay? But our answer is, answer is 30. 30 is not good answer, okay?
But that's,
So you
how is it
understand
not?
it. Wait, I tell you, wait.
Unless
You
you're
understand it.
looking.
Follow, understand it.
It's
Follow,
6
you,
times 5. What? It's the area because this is the height times the base.
wait. We are giving the name PQRS, okay? And measure of angle P and measure of angle Q is given. And our P is equal to 30 degree and our Q is equal to 5 multiplied by 150. This is answer, okay? Then we find, okay, Paulo, this is the 6.
Yeah, 6 times.
Wait.
6 times 40.
Wait, do it, wait. You are using cos 30, wait, cos 30, this is our, in cos, this is our h upon hypo, and this is h is 6, h is 6, 30. Okay, follow, see the other concept. Okay, see other concept. This is also maybe correct. Okay, you should come. We can use this
Okay.
formula. Okay, we can also use other concept. There is also other concept. Okay,
Well, I already have the answer. Why should I do an answer again?
yes, wait. Cos sine 60.
Okay, 1 hour. Bye bye.
Wait, follow, wait.
You already done an hour
Yes,
30.
according to this concept, 30. Yes, this according to this concept, this answer is 30. Okay, we can also use this we can also use the other concept. Wait, this is answer is 30. Okay, 30 is also good. We are using this, but see the other concept. Okay, in our previous concept we have studied this concept. See here.
I already have the answer.
Yes, this is answer. I know this answer. See here, Paulo. See here. This is our 6. If this is our 6, this is 30 degree. This is our 60 degree. We have studied that this 30 is the half of the hypo. Our hypo is the double. After our hypo is the double of this. Clear? Double of this side.
So it's 12.
It will be, this will be 3 and our hypo is a double. Our hypo is a double of this. Clear? We have studied this concept. Wait, we make this as 1 and here is 2, here is under root 3. Then our hypo h is equal to 3. Then our h will be 3. Clear? According to this 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle concept. We don't need this, okay? According to this concept, our h will be, this is 6, then our h 30. You are also making wrong. See here, Paulo. This is 30 is here and 60 is here. Clear? Not clear? We have made the figure wrong. Then we will use cos 60 degree. Clear? Now answer will be correct. What is the answer? Correct it. Cos 60 degree. 6 into cos 60. What is answer? 6 into cos 60.
6 into cos 60.
Then our answer is 3. Our answer is 3. Clear? Not clear, Paulo?
Okay, 3. So the answer is 18.
Yes. Now this was our mistake. Okay. What is correct answer? Correct answer. Pick the correct answer. Which answer is correct, Paulo? Tell me. Pick the correct answer. What are you doing? Hello, Paulo. You are in life. You are in sleeping mode. You don't want to do more work. Okay, right. Pick the correct answer, then we will end the class. Okay, before 2 minutes we are ending the class. We are not studying the more than 1.5 hours. You are thinking we are studying more time, not more time. Okay, take care and bye. Allah.
Bye.